What's going on YouTube? It's your boy The Vintage back on the video, man. Your boy is in the States, man. We in Maryland right now. We in this mall. I don't know what mall we in. I don't even know where we going. Okay, you see stores. About to check out some sneaker stores and see what they got. I want to get the Ferrari 14s, the yellow ones, but I might wait until SneakerCon Dallas. Maybe I get them for under retail, or maybe even, you know what I'm saying, get them for retail, whatever it may be. But I do want to get those sneakers, so y'all boys stay tuned. And yeah, your boy's tired. We just got on a 9-hour flight, so y'all bear with me in the energy, man. And I'm losing my voice, man. Shit. Alright, YouTube, what's going on, man? I just went to Footlocker. I got a pair of kicks. I'm gonna show you when I get back to the hotel. But I was trying to record in there, and a lady was yelling at the employee, so I was scared to bring my camera out, man. But I got Chick-fil-A for the first time in a couple months, because I did come there when I went to the funeral or whatever. But I had that, you already know I had to get my Chick-fil-A. And yeah, I got these shoes that it was sold out as the last size. So I'm gonna show you what it is when I get back to the crib. I'm in Nordstrom right now trying to find some Gucci slides. Alright, Nordstrom didn't have no Gucci. They said I could buy it here, but I had to get it ordered. And I almost forgot that I gotta put these shoes I just bought in my luggage. I don't know how it's gonna work. I'm gonna figure it out though. So cause I wanna keep the box. I don't know why. I might just throw the box away. But yeah, no Gucci slides, but I did cop a pair of dope sneakers, man. And I said I was gonna cop it at SneakerCon Dallas, but why not just cop it now? So y'all boys stay tuned, man. Back at the hotel, man. Like I said, I had a pickup from Footlocker. I wanted to vlog in there. They had like a couple of like Jordans. They had some the Swiper Foxes, the Air Maxes that he collabed with. They had them in there. I think they had like 2 sizes left of those. But the shoes that I did get was a pair of 14s. Y'all do know, like, everybody's making videos. These shoes did sell out, and this is the last pair here in Baltimore, Maryland. So got the last size 14 in Footlocker in the mall, and I've been saying I wanted to get it for a while. I even said in my video yesterday I was gonna cop them, and I was gonna cop them at SneakerCon Dallas, but I had to pull the trigger now. I got it for under retail, man. Got it for 180 bucks and like 20 cents. So here you have it right here, silver box. Check it out. Got it in the 8.5. Air Jordan 14 Retro SE. Like I said, I did get the discount on these, and they retail for 200, so I got 20 bucks off. You can't beat it, man. So check them out real quick. Air Jordan 14 yellow Ferrari things, man. Check them joints out, bro. Cause I had a copy. I do know I have the red Ferrari 14s, and I had did a little rant about this shoe on another video I did. And I said they should have made the suede. I'm still standing behind that now. Wish they would have had the yellow suede on this pair right here. And I just like the details on the sneaker. But like I said, the only pet peeve I have is the yellow not being suede. The leather is kind of it's kind of weird, man. It's like soft, but then it's like kind of stiff. It's weird, man. But check it out right here, Air Jordan 14 yellow Ferraris SE. What does SE stand for? I'm not sure. I never had a sneaker that had SE on the end of the shoe. But here you have it, man. Air Jordan 14 on the back right there. Check out the back. Give y'all a little looks at it, because y'all know I did not do a review on a few of these, because I'm real late with this one. It's a late pickup, but hey, delayed W, man. If you want sneakers, if you gotta wait. And I waited until I got to the States, and I got them for under retail, so check them out. That bottom right there, yellow Jumpman, red 14. And yeah, if I had to rate these and the red 14s, I would definitely pick the red ones over these, just because that red suede is it's dope, man. It still holds up. I still have those sneakers in my collection. They still look fresh. It look like the suede hasn't even been touched, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see how these hold up. We're gonna see how I like them later on down the line, but I do want to rock these very, very soon. Maybe at SneakerCon Dallas, I don't know yet. I got a couple of shoes I want to rock for SneakerCon Dallas, but I haven't picked the right shoe, you know what I'm saying? I don't know yet. So still up in the air, but these might be going on feet for SneakerCon Dallas, man. So thank everybody for tuning into this video. This is my first sneaker pickup back in the United States, man. So this is kind of, I don't know. I'm gonna remember this one, you know what I'm saying? This is my first sneaker pickup back in the States. So check it out right here. Let me know in the comment section below right now if you copped these when they released them. They released last week. I'm not sure, but let me know if you copped them. Like the video, you know, go for every video is 100 likes. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, man. Let's get to that 17K by the end of the week. Follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World. The link will be in the description box below. And yeah, y'all know your boy will be at SneakerCon Dallas this Saturday and Sunday. Be on the panel talking about sneakerheads versus then and now. So like I said, give me some topics to talk about. when I'm on the panel, and maybe I get on different panels and stuff like that, talk with other people, other YouTubers. So y'all let me know in the comment section below if you're gonna be there. And with all that being said, you guys, thanks for tuning into this video, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one, man. Peace.